Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku Charts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Tuesday, October 1st, 2013. Well, a change of trend to the upside today in a candle that's made a higher high and a higher low. A very large white body candle in relative terms, and it's been some time since we've seen a white body of that size, and it suggests that the buyers have found some new solid upside momentum in net terms. It means that the buyers have made a substantial amount of net bullish progress on the day between the open and the close, and suggests that the buyers are attempting to build momentum for an assault on the round number 1700 level of resistance. About 3 or 4 candles ago, the market attempted to rally above the 1700 level and was quite strongly rejected from there. So 1700 will be a very solid test of how strong the buyers are in this market. For today's trading, we've also seen the buyers close with strong control, and they've been very strongly committed to trading this market higher throughout the whole trading day. Previously, with the previous candle, we saw the market find support around the window and very strong price rejection from there, as evidenced by the shadow on the bottom, failing to close above the 1687 level. But today, a strong change in sentiment to the bulls, with the market closing in a strong manner up above the 1687 level. The previous candle was a potential Japanese candlestick reversal pattern. It wasn't a copybook pattern, but it was a potential hammer type pattern, with the size of the body being slightly too large for a copybook type pattern. But the sentiment was there with the smallish type body and the longish shadow on the bottom and the strong price rejection, and we were looking for confirmation of that today, and we have had confirmation now and completion of that pattern. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, and now we're examining the relationship of this new first time frame uptrend to the previous time when the market's trending up, and here today we've seen the market take out the 100% level in a very bullish manner, trading to and just above the 161.8% level, and this suggests that with this bullishness in the market, that the market may find enough momentum to eventually test up to the 261.8% level at 1706. Now, bearing in mind that that is just above the Tenkan-sen, and Tenkan-sen may offer itself as a resistance, and that's around the 1702 level, and coinciding roughly with the 1700 round number level of resistance. In terms of the Fibonacci retracement here, we've seen the market test almost to the 78.6% level. We've traded in a bullish manner above the 61.8% level, and this suggests that there is solid momentum in the market, and certainly not warning of any potential change of trend back to the downside at the moment. In terms of Ichimoku, obviously a bullish market in the long-term time frame, with the market trading above the cloud, and as we move forward into the end of the week, we will see the support offered by the cloud actually drop down to lower levels, down to about 1658 from around the 1670 level. So the amount of support offered will actually will move lower. Before the market ends up trading anywhere near the cloud, however, we do have that strong window that was opened some time ago and has held as support in the near past, and that was for the previous day's trading. The market is also bullish in the medium-term time frame by trading above the Kijun-sen, and we've seen the Kijun-sen for the previous day's trading hold as an area of support, and that area is likely to hold as support if the market does come off once again. In terms of the Tenkan-sen, the market is trading down below the Tenkan-sen, so maintaining that bearishness in the short-term time frame, but price action is now moving back towards the Tenkan-sen, attempting to find equilibrium in that short-term time frame. And if we do see the market close in a bullish manner above the 1700 level and above the Tenkan-sen, there is a very good possibility of the market testing to 1709 and beyond. Looking across at the Chico span, that's above the corresponding price action and has been for some time, and it's suggesting that there still is some decent upside momentum in this market in a longer term time frame, and it is confirming the bullishness that we're seeing in the long term time frame and the medium term time frame based on the two Ichimoku indicators, and suggesting that there is a good possibility, now that the market has found some upside momentum from the buyers, that the market may have a successful test of the 1700 level level. But we can't preempt the market. We really do need to watch how the market behaves around that level. If the market does begin to come off early in trading, 1687 may act as an area of support. It was support only 2 trading periods ago, and then the area around the Kijun-sen once again and down to the window may act as a solid support as well. But really, with the solid momentum in this market from the buyers, a test of 1700 is certainly most likely.